transmission sitting in the frame just so we could see how it fits. Engine and transmission are together, but the only thing I didn't take into account was that the oil pan and the frame want to occupy the same space, so we had a little change in plans. We're going to go ahead and split the engine and transmission, get them both mounted to separate engine stands, and clean them. So follow along as we split these two apart and get them mounted up.
You got to bring it up, the pan sitting on the floor. How many bolts are on that bell housing, John?
So there are 8 bolts, 2 of them are hidden underneath, and in all fairness I cheated and pulled them loose before we put this on camera just to make it easier. So we knew it was coming apart. There are also 3 bolts that go in the torque converter. I loosened those too. Just didn't need those in place to fit.
It's very Stacy David of you. I'm impressed.
I don't have the hair he does, but I'm working on it, man. I'm working on it.